Edwin Smith Surgical Papyrus, world's oldest surgical document and only surviving copy of a part of an ancient Egyptian textbook on trauma surgery written in 3500 BC. Listed are 48 traumatic injury cases with description of examination, diagnosis and treatment. Treatment of DNS, fracture reduction of DNS with internal pack using grease-coated linen and external packing with stiff rolls of linen. Edwin Smith Papyrus, Bosworth operation, deviated part of septum amputated along with mucosa, Aschk, full thickness cruciate incisions on septal cartilage, Freer, SMR of total septal cartilage, Killian, SMR with preservation of dorsal and caudal portion of septal cartilage, Metzenbaum, swinging door technique for caudal septal dislocation, Pierre, removal of caudal septum and replacement after its alteration, Cautel maxilla premaxilla septoplasty. Gustav Killian, Morris Cautel, indications for septal surgery, DNS, nasal obstruction, sinusitis, headache, epistaxis, along with rhinoplasty, harvesting of septal cartilage graft, transseptal surgeries, hypophysectomy, VD and neurectomy, hereditary telangiectasia. Freer's incision, Cautel's line, drawn from nasal process of frontal bone and nasal spine of maxillary crest, deviations anterior to it can be treated by septoplasty only, posterior to it by SMR or septoplasty. Mucoperichondrial flap elevation on the right side. Anterior plus inferior tunnels. SMR and septoplasty. SMR, it consists of elevating mucoperichondrial and mucoperiosteal flaps on either side of septum, removing deflected parts of bony and cartilaginous septum and then repositioning flaps. Septoplasty, in this much of septal framework is retained, most deviated parts are removed. Mucoperichondrial and mucoperiosteal flaps are elevated on only one side. Inferior cartilage strip removal. Dislocation of bony cartilaginous junction. Mucoperiosteal flap elevation on both sides. Cartilage plus bone removed. Scoring and cross hatching. Wedge excision and sheathing. Anterior nasal packing. Outer nasal packing. Submucosal dissection. Killian's incision. Mucoperichondrial flap elevation on right side. Cutting of cartilage and elevation of opposite flap. Excision of septal cartilage. Cartilage plus bone removed. Anterior nasal packing. SMR, radical surgery not done below 17 years. Killian's incision, cannot correct anterior DNS. Bilateral mucoperichondrium elevated. Radical removal of cartilage. Rhinoplasty incision can't combine. Revision surgery defectable. Cartilage graft can be harvested. Complications common. Septoplasty conservative surgery done after 4 years. Freer's incision can correct anterior DNS. Perichondrium elevated only on one side. Only inferior strip can combine, relatively easy, no, and complications are rare in septoplasty. Thank you everyone.